So this is my AI stock news analyzer for leveraging AI for smart investment decisions. So the challenge of like stock market analysis is that like it's quite difficult to like navigate like all the complexities of like the financial market, since you need like deeper insight and constant monitoring, and that's why traditional analysis like doesn't work as well. And since there's like billions of data points from news reports and social media, it makes it like really difficult for humans to process. And since the market is moving like rapidly, you need to like be able to instantly analyze the market for timely investment opportunities. So so my application focuses on like Streamlit, and it uses research process. It uses like the research process, and it transforms raw data, allowing the user to make actionable insights. So I use like an automated news scanning with a news API, and it continuously monitors global financial news for relevant updates on target stocks. I also use AI powered sentiment. So I utilized AI to find like the sentiment of the market from news articles to identify positive or negative trends. And I also used AI to generate a clear, intuitive investment score to guide the user's decisions. So I use Streamlit, Grok, News API, and Yahoo Finance for my project. So my analyzer like uses critical data from diverse and reputable sources to ensure accuracy and coverage. So again, it uses stock prices, News API, Yahoo Finance, and data to give like a good score and a good uh, recommendation. So I use like it uses keywords and phrases within the websites to accurately identify positive or negative implications, and it's also capable of distinguishing sentiment shifts that might be missed by generic tools. It also constantly updates its understanding to be able to remain highly relevant. So the investment score is based on data input like sentiment. It also uses Grok LLM to identify patterns and correlations. It uses weighted algorithms to generate a score, and it like transmits the score to the user. So Grok LLM is behind like the core of my model, and it's able to quickly process things very fast and intelligently. And yeah, so next, I also added like a top 10 stocks dashboard with like a visualization of the market using like a graph. Um, so it's using data sources to create the score. It's also giving like alerts on like whether it's like a good stock to buy, and it also uses like short-term market movements to get to output the score. Yeah, that's it for the presentation.
Okay, great. Very well presented, by the way. Okay, so you have mentioned each and every details of your project, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just curious. You mentioned that you have used LLM of Grok,
Yeah.
right? How did you use that?
So I implemented a Grok into my project. So then the user is like able to like talk to Grok to like see like what's behind like its score, or like uh behind like its thinking.
So, as you mentioned that your project analyzes the market and provides you a proper graph, and what is the main output of your project? Like, what a end user will get?
They'll give it'll get like a the user will get like a overall score out of 100, and it'll also like show like kind of like a table behind like what is influencing the score.
Okay, great.
Okay, so this is the user interface. It has like the top 10 stocks of like the last month, along with like a graph based on like the prices, like the trend. Like for example, this Meta with like this trend of um like
Got it.
700 like a few weeks ago. So at the top you can enter like a stock. I made it so then you can choose any of the 10 stocks like below, or other, which opens up like another stock ticker. So if you just go for Apple and we say analyze, it shows like the price, the score, and then like the explanation, saying
Okay,
that like the score is based on like the weight, the sentiment, times the weight times trend. So this is like its reasoning, and it's saying that it sits below the midpoint, because it suggests that it's like neither clear to like buy or sell. So it's kind of like in the wait and see zone. So here is like the where I implemented Grok. So there's like a bar at like the bottom where I can say, why is it not going to increase? So okay. So it says that it's because like there's no positive crowd psychology, and the trend, even though like the trend is positive, it's very small, and it's going like, and it's only like a modest upward pressure. So the volatility is it isn't like that high, so it still like drags like the all score down by a little bit. Yeah, so that's basically my project. You can zoom in if you want to like this thing. I haven't like something that like I wanted to add was like I wanted to add another feature, because I feel like the score that it gives isn't really like that accurate. So that's what I wanted to fix, and I also wanted to like fix the graph, because I felt like it would have been better if like they can zoom out to see like the overall. But I wasn't able to like I didn't have too much time to be able to like fix that on my own. So that's like something that I kind of regret.
okay, got it. And if you need any help from mentor side, they will like to help you out for
Yeah.
this idea. Okay, so firstly, I just have some compliments for that. The thing you mentioned, I think so that's an AI chatbot or something regarding like AI
Yeah.
search, and that helps in implementing that feature looks very much impressive to me. And also the way your UI looks, and I'm just curious to know more about what tech stack did you use?
Could you repeat the question?
Okay, what tech stack you used in your project while building?
Mm.
So like Python, and what libraries did you use?
Oh yeah. So oh sorry, this is the wrong one. Oh yeah, here it is.
Okay,
So I used Streamlit to be able to like go to like a separate website. I used Request, Yahoo Finance, and Grok. I also had to use like News API key and Grok API key to be able to like go to get like the information.
okay, sounds good. Okay, you can stop sharing the screen. I'm
Okay.